So we're on the two final challenges in the declaring list lessons in List Basics and Python. The first challenge asks us which of the following is a valid syntax for creating a list that has a repeated sequence. It says maybe list, repeat this sequence times 3. Could be list, perhaps I'm the right answer, times 2. Repeat this sequence, we have double asterisk 3, or raised to the third power. And repeat this sequence plus 3. So I can say that this is a string. So, and when I do a string times 2, that's concatenation. It'll just concatenate the string with itself. So I can rule that one out right away. Doing an exponent on a string, that's not a defined function in Python or defined functionality. So I can rule that one out. If I were to try and run this, it would say, I don't know how to add a list and an integer together. So we're left with really only one option, and that is to have the list times 3, which will just concatenate the list with itself 3 times, similarly to the way that the string concatenates with itself 3 times. So check that answer and see that it is correct. It can be used to repeat single items or sequences repetitively. And as we move into the final challenge here, it says create a list named my repetitive list that contains the sequence of uppercase letters A, B, C, D, and E in alphabetical order repeated 15 times. And then it has a little bit of an example what it'll look like. So it says create my list below. It's going to be my repetitive list is equal to, I'm going to have a list. I'm going to have an A, a B, a C, a D, and lastly an E. And I'm not sure if it wants like a total of 15 items in the list, like doing this 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15, or to have the entire sequence 15 times. So we'll just have to, it's a little bit ambiguous. We'll go ahead and give times 15 a try. And it does want the entire, the sequence repeated 15 times. So it's a little ambiguous. We gave it a try what we thought it would be, and that ended up being correct. So that's it for this lesson. Look forward to seeing you in the videos for the next lesson, which talks about the range function.